Dr. Abel Muchunguzi omuhango by'obwegese yabanaherezo habuze ari abashomireho aitendekero libana University nagirango enshonga eremise bingi kutunga emirimo na munonga abahirize University n'okujango bekomere ari ebyo ebashomere byonka.
That from experience I have seen some people who have not understood what it means to have qualifications. I know we come to the university, we study different things in education, social sciences, science, name it.
Okugamba ebinebindi yabayisiro nk'omugenyi mukuru akutongoza ekibiina kyabo abashomireho ari Banda University.
You can ride a border. You can sell in the market with your degree. If you go to the central market in Ibanda here with a degree and you use the customer care that you studied, at the end of the day, you will have so many people visiting your store compared to the other people who did not go to school.
Okukora ekibiina eki gwagura omurundi gwabo gw'okubanza kw'Ibanda University etandikwaho kandi ekigenero kyakyo n'okureba ngu University yayongera okutunguuka.
It will help in community engagement whereby it will strengthen ties between alumni with their alma mater, the wider community, promoting volunteerism and social responsibility.
The idea recently started, I have been following it up, and so many people had passed through. You see, in any idea, there must be a small group that comes out to begin it. A small group.
I'm pleased to have someone from very far. I'm so humbled for all of you for sparing your valuable and precious time to come here so that we reunite, speak the same language.
Amakuru aga gashe kwa Timothy Mushabe muri Banda.